Hello everybody. If you have a GE microwave oven and your turntable's not working, if you happen to have this purple motor shaft, let me give you a tip on the easiest way to replace this. I did create an earlier video which shows the hard way. If you want to repair that shaft and not buy a new one, you need to take the bottom of the microwave oven off. I'll show you how to do that. Just click on the link in the upper right hand corner and you'll be able to see that in-depth video on how to repair that purple motor shaft. But if you want to replace it, it's really simple and really quick. All you need to do is remove that screw, lift up this ceramic insulator, and that purple shaft will pop out, probably in two pieces. You got to get both pieces out, it would be my recommendation, and then put the new one in. You need a special tool to get that screw off, and it looks like just a conventional T20 bit, but this one happens to be a tamper-resistant, or sometimes called a security bit. And that it has a hole on the end of it, which makes it different from a regular T20 bit. But you get the right bit, you can remove that screw, and then you'll be able to remove the shaft and replace it. If you want to repair the shaft, as I show you in my video, you'll have to do that from the bottom of the oven. One way to tell whether this is broken or not is this should not have a lot of play in it. It should more or less be upright, no matter what position you put it in. It should be upright. If you can cock it off to the side, or you feel it's really pretty loose in there, it's probably broken in two. So that's my tip for you today. If you found this helpful or interesting or entertaining, how about a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.